Are you seeing the number 777? Oh my God, you have an incredible ride ahead of you. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach, Kabbalist and Hermeticist, because we need those titles today. We're talking about numbers. We are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And we're talking about the number 777. Have you been seeing that number on license plates, on your computer, popping up on receipts, on dollar bills? I don't care where you see it. It is communication from the infinite field of potential to you. It's a sign that wonderful things are now flowing into your life. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals the number 21. Now, 21 is a powerful number in the Kabbalah. It may be the most powerful because it represents the infinite Godhead. It represents pure I am energy. You know, when we talk about I am abundant, I am rich, I am happy, I am loved. When we talk about I am energy, the word I am, eheya, means 21, or 7 plus 7 plus 7, the highest number of the divine in the ancient Kabbalah. Incredible. So if you're seeing the number 777, you're pulling down the juice, baby. Oh yeah. And that means big juice. Big juice. 7 is the number also of Venus. And Venus is the planet of passion. It's the planet of love and excitement and fire and energy. And so it means that whatever you've been doing, if you've been just kind of getting along, that's all going to change very, very soon. Passion is coming into your life. Love is expanding. If you're already married, it's going to get better. Everything is going to expand with this 7-7 energy coming into your life. Incredible abundance too. I mean, and luck. I know you don't want to hear the word luck because we are manifestors. We create our own luck. But it's just simply going to be easier to have more opportunities and create more luck. It's just, everything's going to flow. You know what I'm saying? Just go with this. Go with it if you're seeing the number 777. Incredible abundance. I would invite you, if you are seeing the number 777, to expect miracles, to expect love in your life, to expect money. I mean, loads of money, and quickly, and health and vitality. 777 is incredibly powerful. 7 is the number of positive energy, and you need that positive energy to create the life you desire. 777 energy people that see that number regularly are like soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. I mean, they're on top of the world because everything is flowing. Now, I'm going to Las Vegas this weekend. Oh, yeah. And I'm going to see Frankie Valli and the Four Seasons, a great group from the past. I'm going to have a great time, but I'm also going to see a lot of 777s. And when you see those 777s on a jackpot, that means money is coming your way. Good things are coming your way. Stand back, get out of the room of all the abundance flowing into your life when you start seeing the number 777. Get excited. Everything is moving in your direction. This is powerful. This is exciting. This is worth seeing. So, Rachel, will you please put up 777 so everybody can see it at least today? Have a great day, because you're just so lucky and you're so special. Have a great day. 777. Have a great day, because it's getting better and better and better, and because you deserve it. Bye-bye.